K+S Services has been an industry-leading provider of certified HMI repairs and LCD upgrades since 1982. We are known throughout North America for our dedication to quality workmanship, efficiency, and reliability. Our experienced technicians can service and upgrade HMIs from a wide range of manufacturers, including Allen Bradley, FANUC, Siemens, and Toshiba. You can visit kns.com to view our complete line card. As an ISO 9001 certified repair company, we follow a strict repair process. Our team will fully clean the unit and begin any necessary repairs, including replacing capacitors, upgrading to or replacing LCD displays, replacing keypads, backlights, and verifying functionality of keypads. Most repairs will take between 10 and 15 days to complete, but we also provide expedited services in emergency situations. Once we finish repairing your HMI, we test the unit in a closed-loop system to ensure complete functionality has been restored. All repairs and replacements are guaranteed to meet or exceed OEM specifications and are backed by a 12-month in-service warranty. Repair your HMI or upgrade your display to LCD with help from K+S Services.